Hi, I'm Tadao of Madaskaelde. Madaskaelde is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I replaced the brake master cylinder of 68 Baja. So this is how it went. So this is the master cylinder I'm gonna install this time. So part number is this. Okay, there you go. So these are the old one and new one, and I think yeah, so the location of the each port are same in the dimension. So I'm gonna replace remove this guy and put this here, and the only difference is the diameter of this guy is larger bore than this, so that I can upgrade the brake system to the disc brake in the future. Okay, I got a new hose, so I cleaned the tubing and I'm gonna use the metal tubing as is, and I'm gonna connect the master cylinder to the reservoir with these tubings. Okay, I connected the hoses, so I'm gonna pour the brake fluid in the reservoir, and so this port is plugged, but these two ports are open, so I'm gonna just push the air out from the cylinder with this. Okay, the hoses are connected, and also the sensors are connected. So I'm gonna bleed the brake fluid starting from the rear right. So last time I used a similar hose, but I put just a Ziploc bag, and then I noticed that the air can come from the bottom, or because tube diameter is so large, so the air never get out of the tube. So I decided to pinch in the middle of the tube so that the brake fluid, if it fills here, and then I can tell whether the air is coming from the bottom or the top. So if it's coming from the top, you have to keep bleeding. But if it's coming, I don't think it's gonna come from the bottom. So it's gonna be easier to see. So I'm gonna put this guy here. Okay, this side is down, so I'm gonna close the valve. So this side is done, so I'm gonna do the other three. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna do a test drive and see how good the brake gonna work. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.